Hey guys, welcome back to Algorithm All Stars. In the previous video, we discussed on HTML comments, style, and colors. Today we will be dealing with HTML responsive, centered, the basic structure of any HTML file, heading and paragraph. Responsive. To make an HTML page responsive, simply add this inside the element. Important to make pages responsive to properly display content on different screen sizes, ESPs on smaller screens. HTML centered to center text and images, we can use CSS styling. The style, text align. Center. Attribute can be used to center text and images. Note, this method cannot center block level elements. You will learn about block level elements later. HTML5 basic example. In this part of the tutorial, we are going to create a very simple HTML page layout, which will be composed of the following. This is the basic structure of any HTML file. A header, a simple navigation bar, an image, some paragraphs, and a footer. HTML headings. HTML headings usually contain a title or a main topic of a certain content. HTML headings are block-level elements. Example, as you can see on the example given above, the elements used are the BEM, and you should have noticed that the size of a heading on its corresponding number after the H, and the lower the number, the larger the font size, aligning HTML. To align headings, we need to use the text align CSS property with values left, center, or right. Example, heading colors. To change the color of our HTML headings, we simply need to use inline styling, the CSS color property, and a color value. Example, HTML paragraphs. HTML paragraphs are mainly used to group sentences. The element defines HTML paragraphs. HTML paragraphs are block-level elements. Example, aligning HTML paragraphs. To align paragraphs, we need to use the text align CSS property with values left, center, or right. Example, styling HTML paragraphs. We will use inline styling to style paragraphs. Example. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Algorithm All Stars.